You're listening to 104.5, serving the New Havens, Connecticut area. This is your local host, DJ Assfucker. The next song we'll be playing is Cracks in Dashboard by your local Schnitzel Dick DTC2K9. We hope you enjoy it.
Coffee's gone cold in the cup holder. You trace fog hearts on the cracked glass. Highway hum just keeps getting louder. You say relax, like it's that fast. Cracks in the dashboard, lines through our faces. We keep driving past the exits that could save us. I'm holding my breath till my lungs start to shake. If this is the moment we break, let it break. Let it break. Your playlist skips.
The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for New Haven CT beginning at 3:47 p.m. and ending at 7:32 p.m. on August 30th, 2029. The following message is transmitted at the request for the New Haven County Police Department. Over the past few hours, an inmate has escaped in the Connecticut State Prison, as this suspect may be armed and dangerous. Suspect is a female, white, Japanese Asian American, with live pink hair, a blue dress, a suit, and a bow tie around the ponytail. Be advised if this suspect matches the same description. If any other information needs to be disclosed immediately, contact the Connecticut Bureau of Investigation at 555-212-9209.
So what do y'all want to be when we grow up?
I want to be an astronaut. A ballerina.
What about you?
I want to be
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Haven Sheriff's Office. As of now, 57 children have gone missing from most of Southwest California. We believe that this is the same person from the previous alert 4 days ago. These individuals are known as Monica, Sayori, Natsuki, and Yuri. All residents within Southwest California are advised to seek shelter from an interior room with no windows. If an intruder breaks into your home, use firearms if necessary. Tune into your radio or television sets for more information.
You can't be Doritos farmer.
Oh, really?
evacuation for most of California. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. As of 9:41 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, reports of 550 people have been confirmed killed, as this foul play was from a serial killer. It has been speculated that Sayori Natsuki and Yuri are not the perpetrators. Unfortunately, Monica has been found causing mass shootings within the area. It turns out that 3 girls were killed during this catastrophic homicide event. This event is now turned out to be a homicidal rage. All residents are strongly advised to evacuate immediately. Refusing to do so will result in certain death. The National Guard and FEMA will make evacuation routes to the neighboring states. If you see Monica with a weapon in her hand, run away as possible and hide, and make sure that you have a firearm or something you can defend yourself with while your evacuation. Normal programming will be suspended indefinitely as this situation will be resolved soon. Tune into your radio sets for more information about this event.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. A hurricane warning is in effect for coastal Waldo,
Coastal York, Coastal Cumberland, Coastal Sagadahoc, Coastal Lincoln, Coastal Knox, Coastal Hancock and Coastal Washington, including the counties in Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and New Hampshire. An unidentified weather phenomenon suddenly formed 564 miles east of the Azore Islands, as the National Hurricane Center is figuring out the sudden appearance of the hurricane. The Department of Transportation is evacuating the entire population of New England who are residing in the coastal areas of the New England and Mid-Atlantic regions. At this time, you are advised to be evacuated immediately, and follow all evacuation routes to avoid certain death. Tune into your radio for more information about this event.